So tonight is our official signing day at Embassy Suites to launch Williamson County's first initial project search site.
It's kind of to me like a white coat ceremony. It's almost like their initiation into the program. I want to say that I'm proud of you guys for making the commitment to something new next year. And I'm right alongside with you because I'm also doing something new. And so I'm very excited to grow with you guys together, and I think it's going to be an amazing year.
Project Search is a fully immersive internship program for our students that are in our transition to community-based program. They will be here at the Embassy Suites, which is our initial Project Search site, and they will be here all day. They'll take their classes here and then be in an internship from 5 to 6 hours, working alongside a mentor here at the Embassy.
My name is Drew Torrance, and I am so excited that I got to be working at the Embassy Suites.
So our 3 main internships are going to be in hospitality, banqueting, and housekeeping. But inside of each one of those is about 2 to 3 smaller internships that they can build into.
Probably just some silverware and towel stuff.
Probably doing laundry, because that's what I'm already doing at the Ravenwood High School, doing football laundry, baseball laundry, everything.
Cleaning the forks, glasses, towels, anywhere in the building that is, for that sake.
We're just really excited to be able to offer this opportunity. I think it's going to open up so many more doors for our students. It's also going to promote an inclusive work opportunities, not just here at the Embassy, but it's going to showcase that everybody can work.
I'm just so excited. I'm very thankful to be a part of it, and I'm excited to see what the students, how they're going to grow and shine next year here, and see how we can continue to expand it.
Today I am excited to be in Project Search.
I signed with Project Search.
I'm in Project Search, baby!